Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to make money online as a beginner. First off, let's talk about why making money online is such a great opportunity. With the rise of technology and the internet, it has never been easier to start your own online business or monetize your skills online. And the best part? You can do it from the comfort of your own home. Now, onto the strategies. The first thing you need to do is identify what skills you have or what you are passionate about. This could be anything from graphic design, writing, coding, social media management, or even just having a great voice for voiceover work. Once you have identified your skill or passion, you can then start to monetize it. One strategy is to freelance your skills. There are numerous websites such as Upwork or Fiverr that allow you to create a profile and start advertising your services. This is a great way to start building a portfolio and gaining experience. As you gain more clients, you can increase your rates and even start your own website and business. Another strategy is to start a blog or YouTube channel. This is a great way to showcase your expertise in a particular field or topic. With consistently high-quality content, you can start to gain a following and monetize your content through ads or sponsored partnerships. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. This involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. This can be done through social media, email marketing, or even creating your own website. In addition to these strategies, you can also sell your own products and services online. This could be anything from an ebook, online course, or handmade items. With platforms like Shopify or Etsy, you can easily set up your own online store and start selling your products to a global audience. It's important to note that making money online does take time and effort. But with persistence and dedication, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. Always be open to learning and trying new things, and before you know it, you'll be a successful online entrepreneur. So, there you have it, a few strategies on how to make money online for beginners. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.